Thinking about partaking in Seattle, Victoria, or Alaska on your next cruise? There's a massive trap you need to know about. Cruise lines have a strict zero tolerance policy. It doesn't matter if you have a valid medical card. Bringing any product back onto the ship is completely illegal. If security or the drug-sniffing dogs catch you at a terminal, you risk heavy fines, being kicked off the ship, or a lifetime ban. Whether you are taking off from Seattle or stopping in Victoria, Juneau, Skagway, you will find legal shops everywhere. For example, here's the Stony Moose in Ketchikan. If you choose to indulge, keep it strictly on land. Finish it before you return to the ship, and always do your own research on local public consumption laws before you go. Enjoy the ports responsibly. Drop a comment if you knew about this rule, and subscribe for more cruise strategies.